9:50. The plan is to leave before 11. So we gotta go wake everyone up. Also, look at how many Balisongs are here. It's ridiculous. Alright gang, kind of missed a lot, but we just packed up all of the Balisongs. So they're in one of the Pelican cases and we're about to head out. Jared's parked out front. Let's see. Bro, what music is playing right now?
Copyright-free music, because it came out before copyright. I always have the worst luck with these orange lights and like kind of stay
You call them orange?
Orange.
What the fuck are you supposed to call them?
Yellow.
Then why are they orange?
They're not fucking orange.
Are they orange or yellow? Yellow.
You're stupid as hell.
Here.
早上好中，现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度与激情9比冰淇淋速度与激情9我最 I don't know the rest of it. God damn it. Talk, Jameson. There's bugs on the windshield. You know where else there are bugs? Under your skin. You should peel off your skin.
Fruit.
Bag of apple. Cuties.
Where the fuck are we?
Oh yeah, let me pull up the thing. Hold on.
Here?
Yeah, here's fine. It says possession of paint. It's strictly.
Imitate me completely, like your arm here, and then this arm like out. Yeah, and then like smile like. Oh, let's go!
We have arrived at the function.
We have.
We will need to hike through here to get to.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, Jesus Christ, I do look like a woman.
Like a woman, bro.
There it is, ladies and
We
gentlemen.
have made it to the function.
Now we just gotta get down. Graffiti.
By painting over it?
Yeah, look, it's all like gray. It used to be every surface was just completely full of graffiti.
Why would they do that?
Why do they care? Who is living here? Who is here?
We are. This is the Airbnb.
Shit, you're right.
Open up the knife case. Let's see what we got. Oh, come on now.
It's pretty mid.
Dude, no. It would be over here. There's like little pegs.
Hand you the camera. I could throw it.
Like what?
I tried buying 15 hand warmers, putting them in a container, crushing all.
Mind the shot, Jameson?
No.
Don't worry about that.
Yo. I'm down. It's not super sharp. So you don't care?
Not really, no. Okay.
Well, if you care at all, we should use a different knife. I'll give you like a 3, 2. 3, 2, 1.
Sure if it was recording or not, and then it was.
I feel like your combo needs to be better.
It's gonna take so long if I do something cool.
Yeah, I know, but think about the clip that it'll create.
Alright. Three, two, one.
When they gon' stop killing niggas, man, enough is enough. Why they lock up all the real ones, man, enough is enough. They was wanna on my masters, enough is enough. I can't hit you on your cash app, enough is enough. You gon' be a hater all your life, enough is enough. Got me putting the right round with that pipe, enough is enough. Man, that shit ain't right, I know my rights, enough is enough. I can't sit back, let them take my life, enough is enough. All this crazy shit gon' fuck around and make me send it up. They keep killing all these niggas, man, I'm riding enough. I just drink a Corona, is it a virus or what? They been legend shit for 100 years, we still ending up. Crisis is right before my eyes, I know they telling lies. Martial law, fuck you dog, that's the police in disguise. I don't need no reparations, bitches get me back with mine. I keep the peace, but the peace is a line. Freedom of speech, I got rich off of beats. I can get you a beach, you ain't out of my reach. If you listen, I teach, but these niggas is sleep. I've been blowing this money so fast they gon' fuck around, have to free me. Hey, when they gon' stop killing niggas, man, enough is enough. Why they lock up all the real ones, man, enough is enough. They was wanna on my masters, enough is enough. I can't get you on your cash app, enough is enough. You gon' be a hater all your life, enough is enough. Got me bring the right round with that pipe, enough is enough. Man, that shit ain't right, I know my rights, enough is enough. I can't sit back, let them take my life, enough is enough. You niggas going too far. I got the tool in the car. I got respect for the board, but I ain't scared of the cops. Ain't no telling I'm deep in that cop. Revolution, I'm feeling like pop. It's my time, I'm watching the clock. Long hill, you ready or not? Fuck the peace, enough is enough. Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. I got love for my brothers, but we gotta stop killing each other. When they gon' stop killing niggas, man, enough is enough. Why they lock up all the real ones, man, enough is enough. They was wanna on my masters, enough is enough. I can't get you on your cash app, enough is enough. You gon' be a hater all your life, enough is enough. Got me ready to rock round with that pipe, enough is enough. Man, that shit ain't right, I know my rights, enough is enough. I can't sit back, let them take my life, enough is enough.
Very nice, boys.
That was sweet.
No, this doesn't count as your clip.
Just do Chaplin.
Guys, this camera right here. So fire. Camera.
3 of us here, not even 2 of the 3 of us could have the same brand camera. We all gotta have some different type shit. Like why?
Yeah, it's really funny that we all 3 have different
I'm
brands.
filming on a Sony. This is a Canon. Bro over here has
Panasonic.
Panasonic.
And
Oh, look at the guy
iPhone.
who doesn't shoot video.
iPhone. Among Us! Among Us!
Yeah, we got that.
Among Us!
I've been instructed to vlog. Just landed a sick clip with this background, all these knives in the trees.
Yeah. I didn't realize how many knives.
Going crazy.
Dude, seeing these knives sticking out of the trees makes me want to like just like try to.
Wait, is this the last clip we're getting?
No.
Oh,
Wait.
probably not.
I don't know.
Maybe. Oh, let's see the bag of apples.
Got a bag of apples and a Smurf crack.
Yo, get this clip.
Okay.
We should look at these goons.
I I would not call them doing things. I don't think.
Oh shoot.
Alright. Cool.
Alright, don't drop that.
Why? Dropping that all day.
Yeah, but here, bro. It's a different story dropping it. Oh, what is that? Come on. Dude, look at them over there.
Jackson, we only changed batteries. Yeah.
Oh shit, my bad, pimp. Oh, alright.
Ready?
Yeah. Where's this piece of shit?
Alright.
I don't
we
use
just
these.
Finished up filming here.
It's quite successful.
What's quite
I would say it was.
You don't have to look for it if you're looking for it.
I mean, yeah.
I'm almost 100.
Chick-fil-A.
I would just
We'll
like to
fill it
state
up.
for the record,
They'll film.
Jamson surprised him last night.
And this is why we don't vlog.
The second I turn the camera on, Scotty just starts spewing.
We gotta.
We need evidence.
I'm not gonna let you record me shit.
You shitting, but record the after shit.
My God.
No! I'm restarting.
A line?
Yeah.
True.
You never cross that line. You only smote it.
Where are we going?
30 Newgate.
Hello, welcome to Chick-fil-A. How you guys doing today?
Good, and you?
I'm doing well, man.
You got that?
Jackson, do you
Yeah, I can take it.
There's.
Oh yeah.
Thanks.
Nah, let's eat at the table, bro. Come on now.
Bro, why?
What do you mean why? Actually, unless we're gonna put movie on the TV.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Bro,
Okay, we got back with the goods. I'm about to be done with water
Fucking
for like
barely.
3 years.
Yeah, I'm done. It's very taxing.
So until later.
Taxing stuff. These dweebs.
Would you want to stand more?
Yeah. That shit could actually go pretty hard.
Yeah. You were like last year was actually not bad. You went there, right?
Yeah.
Y'all stayed there. Yeah. But yeah, this year it's enormous. What? 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 No way! Wait. How? How?
Remember how I sold the Nami?
Yeah. What? No way, that's crazy. What's good? Holy crap. Dude. What is squirting at me? Also, why are you half naked?